So this one's being eaten by an earwig. And this guy's trying to climb higher so he can get away from all the ants that are eating all the ones below.